I'm Zandie Brockett. Some people know me as High. I'm the Director of Community and Culture at NeueHouse.
I'm Isabel Webb. I direct the Future Humans program at the Berggruen Institute.
Future Technê is a programmatic salon series that experiments with the ways that we can produce alternative imaginaries that color the world and reality that exists now and into the future. Specifically, we're exploring how these systems and imaginaries can come into existence with new craft technologies, or Technê. Future Technê is a series that allows us to discover, rather than announce what is.
Zandie and I got to know each other because we both work at this iconic downtown building in Los Angeles, the Bradbury Building, a building that is rich with a science fiction past. And I kept going to Zandie's programs and was just so intrigued about how she put together really smart people who came from different disciplinary backgrounds to talk about art not only as objects to consume, but as provocations to change the world.
So we've been doing this series where we've been asking people what their Future Technê is. Claire, what's your Future Technê?
My Future Technê is calling into question hierarchies of knowledge, such as the modern translation of that word that exalts episteme over techne. How we inhabit our bodies, how we contemplate the passing of time, edit each other's books, cook for our families, are acts by which we accumulate knowledge through craft.
My Future Technê is a process of revealing latent stories through a collaborative process of dialogue. I explore the craft of creating site-specific, immersive happenings that allow us to challenge, through sensation and stories, the social constructs that govern the ways that we think about our identities, our bodies, and each other. My work envisions new modes of live art that rethink the relationship between artwork, architecture, and audience. While our collaboration has just begun, this journey of exploring and experimenting with the Future Technê of various incredible artists and technologists and scientists, art, like life, is a process of co-creation. So we ask you to discover the various chapters that have been brought forth thus far, and to come on our journey with us as we continue to ask, what is your Future Technê?